Hi, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we're going to be refreshing this Peruvian Deep Wave by Janet collection. The only thing that I'm going to be using is water in my mister and the snapback spray by Be Famous Beauty. So I brought it, but I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I did bring it. Of course, I always want to try to just use water because I don't like to use a lot of product on crochet hair, but sometimes it's necessary. And let me just go ahead and tell you, spoiler alert, we're going to need it. When I start with the first section, I only use water because, of course, I want to just see if I can get away with not using any product. But that doesn't happen here. I do end up having to use the snapback spray, and it definitely helped. But basically, I'm not doing anything different. I'm just breaking apart the curls, just trying to get the tangles out. Most of the time, you can work the tangles out with your hand, but this hair was just different, and most of the knots I had to end up cutting out. And you know, a hair knots a lot when it's like tangled at the top. Like, you get a lot of matting and stuff around the nape, but even in the top, like, this hair was just tangled and it had huge knots in it everywhere, and you just couldn't move them. Like, no matter how much I pulled it, you could not pull that hair apart in some places, so I ended up having to cut them. Even with the snapback spray, it did help a lot, but there were still some tangles that I just had to cut out, and that was the only way around it. I don't know. But anyway, I'll go into detail, of course, with the final review on this hair. But like I said, I just want to refresh it, because the curl pattern is gorgeous. I do love how it looks. But for those of you who, y'all still want to wear it because it's cute, this is how you have to care for it. I would say you probably need to do this once a week. I didn't do that once a week, which is probably my biggest issue because I had this hair up in a bun. Y'all know how I do now. I like my sweats in a bun, like all the time. And then I take it down and want to be cute. And when I took it down, like, it wasn't cute. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna turn some music on. If y'all have any questions, hit me in the comment section, of course, and I will answer them as soon as I can. I know also, real quick before I go, I know y'all are looking for the update on the new illusion method, and this one I did do the illusion method on, but I revised it just a little bit with the where is this? With the hair by Be Famous Beauty, the Felicia hair. I did an updated video on that. And I know you guys are waiting to see how long, it lasts and all that good stuff. And it's going to be a couple of weeks, y'all, because I was so excited to show you guys the revamped method that I pushed that video out in front of everything else. Like, my videos are playing like usually about 3 to 4 weeks in advance, but I took that video, I did that hair that Saturday, that video came out that Tuesday. So therefore, this hair is current day. I still have it in, and I haven't had a chance to like wear it enough to, give y'all my full review on it. So this video on the Janet collection hair, of course, needed to come out first, and then after that, you'll get the Janet collection the ending review, and then I have some other videos that'll come out as well afterwards, and then I will come with the Felicia review to let y'all know like how everything is going. So in the meanwhile, follow me on IG so that way you can get current day updates on the hair that I have installed, and then I'll give you, of course, my full review when the time comes on YouTube. Anyway, if you have any questions, y'all drop it in the comment section. Also, go check us out on Facebook in our Facebook group, We Love Hair, and again on Instagram, all under Shay Niche. So I'm going to turn the music up, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.